Hello guys, Mr. Santos here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google search images inside Onshape to make your work much easier. Let's start by choosing an image online. For this example, I'll select a logo like the Batman logo. Download the image and save it on your computer. Let's name it Batman logo and save it in your working folder. Now let's go back to our Onshape project. As usual, hide the planes we don't need. Right-click and select View Normal to make your work easier. Click Sketch and select the plane. Today we'll work with a new tool called Insert Image. Click Insert Image. If the image is already uploaded, select it. If not, click Import and find the Batman logo we just downloaded. Once the image is imported, select it. Onshape will ask you to draw a rectangle to place the image. Click and drag to define the image size. Move the image to the center of the workspace to make drawing easier. Zoom in. Now let's start tracing the image. Click Sketch again and select the same plane. Zoom in. Start with the line tool and draw a line where needed. Press S to cancel the tool. Now select the spline tool. If you don't know where it is, just search for it. Click to place the first point, move the mouse, and click again. Press S to finish the spline. You'll see control points appear. Adjust these points to match the image as closely as possible. Continue adding spline points and adjusting them until the shape looks right. Use the line tool again where straight edges are needed. Press S to stop drawing. Repeat the same process on the other side of the image. To make your work easier and symmetrical, let's use construction lines. Select the construction line tool and draw a vertical line through the center of the design. Now, click the mirror tool. Select the center construction line as the mirror line. Then select the parts you want to mirror. This will instantly copy your design to the other side. Zoom in and check for any gaps or open spaces. Make sure everything is connected correctly. Now click Extrude. Select the shape and extrude it 0.03 inches. Click Confirm. Now let's organize our project. Double-click the sketch and rename it Batman. Double-click the extrusion and rename it Batman Extrude. Naming your sketches and features is very important. It makes future edits much easier. Now let's create the keychain hole. Start a new sketch. Create a horizontal construction line, then create a vertical construction line. This helps us position the hole accurately. Select the center point circle tool. Draw a circle and give it a size of 0.2 inches. You can also make it smaller, like 0.1 inches. Turn off the dimension tool so you can move the circle freely. Place it wherever you want the keychain hole to be. Rename this sketch Circle and confirm. Now double-click the sketch and click Extrude. Select Remove Material. Before confirming, rename this feature Extrude Circle. Confirm. Now your Batman keychain shape is complete. If you want to make it thicker, you can go back to the Batman extrusion and adjust it. For example, to 0.05 inches. You can customize this project in many ways. For example, you can add text. Create a new sketch, select a face, and use the text tool. Type something like MCS. Move the text to the position you like. Resize it using the dimension tool. Once you're happy, click Extrude and choose Remove Material. Set the depth to 0.05 inches. Rename this feature MCS Extrude. Notice that the extrusion direction matters. If you want the text engraved instead of raised, make sure Remove Material is selected and the direction is correct. And that's it. Thank you very much. See you next time. God bless you.